Hello, friends. Today, we are going to create our adorable Cyan from Rainbow Friends. Let's start by making 2 circles for its eyes and then draw 2 oval shapes inside each eye. Now, connect the eyes with a small line. For the face, draw 2 F-like shapes diagonally joining together at one point. Now, add its cute mouth inside the face, followed by 10 U-like shapes for its teeth. Moving on to its body, draw a big curve below, and next to it, create an S-like shape for its back. Extend another S-like shape to form its tail. For the right leg, draw a curved line, and then extend a diagonal straight line. Add 3 V-shapes to represent its nails. Now again draw a diagonal line and a curve. Repeat the same process for its left leg. Don't forget to add 1 more tooth inside its mouth for a charming smile. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more exciting drawings soon. Until then, happy drawing, everyone!